We use various units to measure length, weight and capacity. The standard unit which we use to measure length is meter, for weight it is gram, and for capacity we use liter. But it is not convenient to use these units for all the measurements. There are other higher units and lower units which are written by attaching prefixes to the standard units. These prefixes are kilo, hecto, deca, deci, centi, and milli. Kilo, hecto, and deca are used for the higher units than the standard unit. Means if we have to form the higher units than the standard unit, then we use kilo, hecto, and deca. While deci, centi, and milli are used to form lower units than the standard unit. These units are arranged in such a way that starting from the smallest, each higher unit is 10 times greater. So, it is very important to learn the correct order of placing these units. To learn the correct order, we can keep in mind a simple statement. King Henry died while drinking chocolate milk. Here, K of king means kilo, H of Henry means hecto, D of diet means deca, while is used for standard units that are meter, gram, liter. D of drinking means deci, C of chocolate means centi, and M of milk means milli. So this way we can place all the units here: kilo, hecto, deca, then meter, gram, liter, these are the standard units, then deci, centi and milli. So if we have to form all the units for length, that is the standard unit is meter, so to form the units of length we can use kilometer, hectometer, decameter, then comes meter, then decimeter, centimeter and millimeter. Now, as you can see, milli is used for forming the smallest unit. So, starting from milli, each unit is 10 times greater, which means if we see centi, centi comes just after milli, so centi is 10 times milli. Similarly, deci is 10 times centi and so on. Now, if we move from right to left in this chart, then we are moving towards the higher unit. So, if we have to convert a smaller unit into a higher unit, we use division. Like, if we have to convert centi into meter, so we are moving from centi towards meter, that is from right side towards the left. Therefore, we have to move two places in the left side. So, we will divide the given number by 100. We use 100 because we have moved two places. So, two places means we have to choose a number with two zeros. So, that is 100. Therefore, if we move from centi to meter, centimeter to meter, that means we are moving two places in the left side. So, we will divide the number by 100. But if we move from left to right, then we are moving from a higher unit towards a smaller one. In this case, we use multiplication. For example, to convert kilogram into gram, we have to move three places in the right side. As you can see, from kilogram to gram, we have to move three places. So, We have moved 3 places, which means we have to multiply the given number by a number with 3 zeros, that is 1000. The number with 3 zeros is 1000. So whatever number is given to us in kilogram, that number will be multiplied by 1000 to convert it in grams. In this way, we convert the numbers from one unit to another unit. Now let us do some questions based on conversion. In the first question, we have to convert 6008 grams into kilogram and gram. Now firstly, you have to recall the relation between kilogram and gram. We know that 1000 grams makes 1 kilogram. There are 1000 grams in 1 kilogram. Now we know that here 6008 grams are given to us. So we have to break this number from thousands place. That means we will write 6000 gram plus 8 gram. We have separated this number from thousands place because in 1 kg there are 1000 gram. So we will take this digit which is at 1000 place and write its place value. So here 6 is at thousands place, so it will be 6000 gram and 8 gram. Now 1000 gram is equals to 1 kilogram. Therefore 6000 gram will be 6 kilogram and this 8 gram will be written as it is. Therefore 6008 gram is equals to 6 kilogram 8 gram. Now the next number given to us is 11,010 gram. So again we know that 1000 gram makes 1 kilogram. So at 1000 place we have this 11,000 we are having here. So we will separate the number from 1000 place. So here we got 11,000 gram plus after that we have 010, that is 10. So 10 gram. 11,000 gram is equals to 11 kilogram because in 1000 gram makes 1 kilogram. So 11,000 grams means 11 kilogram. And these 10 grams will be written as it is. So it will be 11 kilogram and 10 grams. In the next question, we have to convert into gram, centigram and milligram. Now we know the relation that 1 gram is equals to 1000 milligram and 1 centigram is equals to 10 milligram. So the first part is 7068 milligram. Now we have to convert this number into gram, centigram and milligram. So firstly we'll start with gram. 1 gram equals to 1000 milligram. So break this number from the 1000 place. So at 1000 place we have 7. It will be written as 7000 milligram plus the number left is 68 milligram. Now 7000 milligram means 7 gram plus now this 68 will be written as 60 milligram plus 8 milligram because we have to separate this ones place from the tens place. So this 66 is at tens place, so the place value of 6 is 60. Therefore we will write it as 60 milligram and 8 milligram. Now 7 gram, 60 milligram will be equals to 6 centigram because 10 milligram means 1 centigram. So 60 milligram means 6 centigram and then 8 milligram. So 7068 milligram is equals to 7 gram, 6 centigram and 8 milligram. Next number given to us is 2453 milligram. Again, firstly we'll break it from 1000 place. So 2000 milligram plus 453 milligram. Now 2000 milligram is equals to 2 gram plus 453. Now at ones place we have 3, so we have to separate this from the tens place. So it will be written as 450 milligram plus 3 milligram. We can write 453 as 450 milligram plus 3 milligram. Now 10 milligram means 1 centigram. So 450 milligram will be equals to 45 centigram and 3 milligram. Therefore 2453 milligram is equals to 2 gram, 45 centigram and 3 milligram. In the next question, we have to convert the following into liter and milliliter. We know that 1 liter is equals to 1000 milliliter. So in the first part, it is given 5016 milliliter. Now 5016 milliliter can be written as 5000 milliliter plus 16 milliliter. We have expanded 5016 milliliter as 5000 milliliter plus 16 milliliter because we want the 1000 place separated. Now this 5000 milliliter will be equals to 5 liter, as 1000 milliliter is 1 liter. So 5000 milliliter will be 5 liter and 16 milliliter will be written as it is. So 5016 milliliter is equals to 5 liter 16 milliliter. In the next part we have 4516 milliliter. So again from the thousands place we will break this number. So 4000 milliliter plus 516 milliliter. Now 4000 milliliter means 4 liter and 5016 milliliter will be written as it is. Therefore 4516 milliliter is equals to 4 liter 516 milliliter. In the next question, we have to convert the following into meter, centimeter and millimeter. Now again, the relation between meter and millimeter is 1 meter is equals to 1000 millimeter and 1 centimeter is equals to 10 millimeter. So again we have this 1000 and 10's place. We have to break the number. So first is 8250 millimeter. So we will break this number from 1000 place, that is from this 8, and then this 0 will separate here. Therefore we will write this number as 8000 millimeter plus 250 millimeter. Now this 8000 millimeter means 8 meter, because 1000 millimeter is 1 meter. So 8000 millimeter means 8 meter. 250 millimeter will be equals to 25 centimeter, because when we will divide 250 by 10 we'll get 25. So 25 centimeter. Now at ones place, as we are having 0, so there will be 0 millimeter. No millimeter is there. So we can write it as 8 meter 25 centimeter. In the second part we have 3278 millimeter. So break this number now from thousands place. We have 3. We can write it as 3000 millimeter plus 278 millimeter. 3000 millimeter means 3 meter plus. Now we have to again expand this 278. So it will be expanded as 270 millimeter plus 8 millimeter. Now it will be 3 meter. 270 millimeter means 27 centimeter and 8 millimeter. So 3278 millimeter is equals to 3 meter, 27 centimeter and 8 millimeter.